The interaction was amazing. I think the students were very, very much engaged. Overall, it's been a very productive evening. Hi, this is Robert. We're just concluding a workshop here at Middlesex University. It's been a very exciting day. We had the opportunity to meet with the entrepreneurial students and had the opportunity to take them through a real business challenge, and the results have been fantastic. We essentially got the students to try and craft a business model of a live, using the examples of a real life business problem, and ultimately they did. They came up with a wonderful value proposition off the back of the business model. So it's been really a very productive day. Like I said, it's really wonderful to have been here today, and I'm looking forward to an experience like this again.